I've been playing around with ChatGPT, I've been playing around with Claude, DeepSeek, and recently there's a AI wrapper that's pretty famous. It's called Opus Clip. It's basically, it splits the video into a few clips. In my mind I was thinking, what if I could create one just for myself as a SaaS? I was thinking maybe I can. So I'm gonna create something like this for an AI wrapper for text-to-SQL query. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how I use Ollama to create a text-to-SQL SaaS using Small, or specifically this LLM. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your own AI wrapper in AWS EC2 using Ollama. And the models that we're going to be using is Small, which is originally from Hugging Face. So right now I have two EC2 running. This is the one that is doing the backend. So I'm going to start installing the Ollama. Okay, so let's go into root. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So right now the Ollama API is running at port 11434, and let's check whether there's any models. There isn't any models, so I'm gonna start pulling the small. Okay, so we're gonna start with Ollama pull small. While this is downloading, I'm going to show you my backend. This is my backend. I'm running this. And if you notice, this is the schema that I've included. This is the API that my front end is going to hit. And this is the model that my backend is going to call. However, if you notice this, the model name is this. I'm going to make some changes here then. I'm going to copy this. Ollama CP this and this. I'm going to change. Okay, so we should have two models right now. So I'm gonna run server.ollama. Okay, so right now it's running, and I'm gonna look at my front end. I'm gonna click on this. I'm gonna refresh. I'm gonna click this, and it's running right now. It's thinking. Let's look at the back end. What we have. There's nothing at this moment, so we'll wait. Let's look at developer mode and see whether anything we should know. At this moment, everything else looks fine. Let me try again, and I'll be back. It should be running right now, and I'm back, so it should be good. It's about 56 seconds ready. So the reason behind it is because I'm running M5 large, so it's pretty small spec. Still running gateway timeout. Let's try again. Okay, I'm still having the same issue, so I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna change the instance type, and I'll be back. And I'm back, so hopefully it works this time. Let's run this. I'm currently using M5.X large, so it should be working fine. And it's gonna run for 60 seconds, and I'll be back again. And I'm back. So basically, it's working right now. I'm gonna try refresh this and see whether I can speed up. It's a bit slow on the UI side. Okay, I'm gonna click this and see whether it's working. Oh, it's fast. It's getting faster. Okay, and on the back end, so we have these embeddings, and maybe Small doesn't have thinking, so it's able to generate tokens valuation. Okay, so there we have it. So right now, this is how I create my AI wrapper using AWS EC2, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will try to get back to you. Okay, bye.